Hi, this is Emily from Once More with Feeling. This is a quick jaw and tongue tension release video. Jaw and tongue tension are super common and happen for a variety of reasons, ranging from your posture to clenching or grinding your teeth at night to more complex things like anxiety. So this is just a couple of stretches that you can do when the tension is really getting to you and you need to get rid of it and get on with your day. So follow along with me.
Take your hands and gently massage the underside of your chin. This is where the tongue root is. Do be gentle because if you hold a lot of tension here, it can be really sore. Next, this is a good look for the internet. Rotate your tongue around your mouth in both clockwise and anti-clockwise circles. Then take your fingertips and massage the jaw joint in forward circles. And finally, take the heel of your hands and draw it down from your temples all the way to your chin, throwing away that tension.
I hope those help. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us or comment below. And I hope you have a great day. Bye!